Brave rabbit. Once upon a time, as you know, rabbits and tortoises competed to the top of the mountain. Everyone thought that the rabbit would get there earlier than the cane, but carelessly, the rabbit fell asleep on the way. When I woke up, it was already a later festival. The cane was already standing on the edge of the mountain. When the mountain rabbits found out about it, they got angry. "You shameless! Get out of here!" When the rabbit left his hometown, he started a new life in another mountain. One day, I heard birds on the tree talking about the rabbit's hometown. It seems that something terrible is happening in the rabbit village. A terrible wolf is asking for 3 young female rabbits. If you refuse, they will attack the village and kill all the rabbits. The rabbit told everyone that he would run back to the village. "It's a big deal. I'll go to the wolf and beat him. If it goes well, please let me live here again." "That's fine," everyone said. The rabbit climbed the mountain and went to the top where the wolf lived. "Mr. Wolf, I brought 3 female rabbits. But I'm afraid to see your face, so I can't come here. While you bring me here, please sit on the edge of the edge and turn your face towards the valley." "Okay. Bring me right away." As the wolf was told, when he sat on the edge of the sedge, he turned his face toward the valley. The rabbit secretly approached behind the wolf and pushed the wolf into the valley as much as he could. The wolf fell into the valley and lost his life. The brave eel returned to the village and became a new hero. The end.